Hi, my name is Rayan James, and this is my beautiful wife, Angelica James, and we are RAJ Kitchen and Bath. So how do we get started? Well, about 13 years ago, my wife had this crazy idea to quit our jobs, move to St. Vincent, and open a company.
Is it crazy idea?
But yeah.
What do you mean crazy idea?
Just got married. We were very young, inexperienced. We had a job that broke. Going back home with St. Vincent.
But babes, remember you were already an architect. I mean, you were designing commercial buildings.
True.
You were designing residential buildings. You were already designing interior spaces. So I mean, kitchen cabinet, that should be easy enough.
Yeah, you should.
So you know what? I'll consider it a calculated risk.
Oh, calculated risk.
Yeah, let's just.
All right. So
wait. So you'll go with that?
I'm going with that. I'm going with that.
Calculated risk.
All right.
Okay.
So 13 years ago, my wife had this calculated risk idea that we should move to St. Vincent and open a company and design and sell kitchens. But then for 13 months, she got up in the car every morning and go bang on people's doors, hand them up cards. Hey, we do kitchens, we do kitchens, we do kitchens.
On your construction site as well.
I remember one day I was home and then she came home. Babes, guess what? I said, what? She said, we got a job. I said, what? Yeah, we got a job. Show me a check. And that's our first check, our first job. And it was kind of a time in our life when everything was just going risky. We went out, we got people to help us build this kitchen. I mean, I designed the thing and we worked on it so much, and then we installed it, and then actually we never really looked back though. We kind of went from one office to a bigger space to bigger space. Then before you know it, we had a whole factory flow of people, employees, equipment, and it was just great.
Oh yeah, and so you know what? I'll say that calculated risk paid off. I mean, yes, we were young, but it took quite a lot of risk.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here at the bottom of the screen.
Also remember to like us on Facebook.
Follow us on Instagram.
Check us out on House.
And on Google+.
And also our website.
www.rajkitchenandbath.com.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.